Hello friends, in this video I'm going to give you an honest review of L'Oreal Professional Paris Series Expert Enforcer Mask. So as they mention, it is rich in B6 and biotin, and it claims that it is anti-breakage, strengthening for fragile hair. So I have tried it for 4 to 5 times. I've ordered it a month ago and tried every week so that I can give you an honest review on it. So let's talk about the packaging. First of all, this packaging, I just loved it. It's like very travel friendly, and the color, I'm in love with the color. And the quantity was quite enough for, like, it will be like I can use it for at least 6 months. It can run for 6 months, so it's really nice. The pricing is a little high, but I think the brand and that worth it. The brand and the quantity and quality worth it. So the pricing, as you all can see, it's 820 rupees for just 250 grams. Now let's read the, if you can see, let's read the let's read it. It's anti-breakage strengthening mask for fragile hair, and with reinforcing formula enriched with vitamin B6 and biotin for anti-breakage action. It's hair. Okay, now hair fall feels more resistant and stronger. What to do to use it? Spread evenly through wet hair. Leather, rinse in case of contact with eyes, rinse them immediately, etc., etc. So okay, so according to the I have read some reviews, and medically biotin is a vitamin B7 and vitamin B6. What are their role in the hair loss and hair fall? So vitamin B7, that is the biotin, stimulates the keratin production in hair and can increase the rate of follicle growth. Hence, it will increase the hair growth. So the research says that the biotin deficiency, etc., causes more hair fall than usually, and if you give a better supplement of biotin, it will increase your hair growth and it will thicken your hair as well. And vitamin B6, what does it does is that it increases the flow of oxygenated blood to the hair follicle. This blood full of O2 greatly supports the hair growth and hair revitalization, and these two components are very essential for hair growth. So I think it will work, like, gradually, but it will work. Okay, now mask is actually designed to target the breakage and split ends, leaving hair soft and healthy. With continued use, it will help your hair become more resistant and strong. Okay, now let's see the structure and texture and smell and everything. So first of all, the quantity is enough. You can see I have used it 4 times. I have a very long hair and I have used it 4 times. Still I have lot to use now. So this is basically looking like pinkish in the color, tint of pink, and oh my god, the smell is very floral and very nice. Now, as you all can see, the consistency is similar to yogurt. It's like, its texture is like a yogurt, and it feels really smooth, as you all can see. I love the texture. Smell is perfect, texture is perfect. I applied it 4 times, and you won't believe, but it reduced the hair fall by 3/4%. Like 3/4 hair fall was reduced. Now, just I will apply here, and you will be able to see the shine. This shine appears on your hair as well. And I love the hair mask, and I'm going to complete it and reorder it also. So based on several experiments, based on researching about B6 and biotin, I think it will work. But it's a professional formula. You will not get instant results. You will not get instant result, but you will definitely get the result. After first wash only, you will be able to see the enormous difference or large difference in your hair, and it will greatly affect your hair if you use once in a week. So there is no a time mentioned that how much time you have to give. I keep it usually for 15 minutes, and I use it once a week. Like, I have decided the day Friday, so I use every Friday without forgetting, and it really decreased my hair fall, made it smooth, and split ends are like reduced by 90%. Like, I was having frizzy hair due to this pollution and etc. So I decided to use a mask. If you are a continue watcher or my long-term subscriber, you would be knowing that I used to use Bella Professional mask, but that finished, and I thought that I should try a new one so that I can make a video on it and give you an honest review. And I totally loved it. You won't believe, but I totally loved it, and you will see the result as well. So let's continue using it, and we will see the results after 6 to 7 months after this is finished, so that I can order next or not, I will decide it. But I do recommend this. You should use this because this mask will, I am definitely sure that this mask will change something in you. If you have genetic hair loss or something like that, or due to some disease or anything, so this, I think they don't pretty assure you about that. But if you have hair loss due to breakage, pollution, frizzy hair or tangled hair, etc., then you gonna use this, and I'm definitely telling you that it will work. But if you are having certain diseases or anything else, so don't just hope that it should work. But if you are having complaint of slit and etc., do try this. And if you like this, if you like my review, or if you like this mask, do comment below and tell me. And if you are using this, then please do share. If there is any side effects or anything about it, do share with us and let me know what you think about this. Thank you so much for watching this video.